Hi, I'm Lydia Dominic, and welcome to Studio 2, where we highlight some amazing local businesses. Today I'm here with Mike Washington from Ivy Lee Construction. Mike, thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Now today we're talking bathrooms, and the longer I live, the more I really value a beautiful, well-designed bathroom.
Absolutely. So a well-designed bathroom, it does take a little time. What do you need in your home, and who is it for in your house? Is it the master bathroom? Is it a secondary or kids bathroom, we'll call them? Or is it just a powder room on the first floor? And they're all different designs and different types of products you'd use in each.
So for those of us who have an idea of what we want, but we don't know how to put those pieces in play, you guys can really put those all together
Absolutely.
for us.
That's where our team comes in, really to get in, make sure it's working for you aesthetically, but also fit your budget too.
If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or bathroom, call Ivy Lee Construction at 716-875-8654.